and today we are gonna do a review on the Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. This is something that I'm very excited about because I have a lot of hair and it's really hard to keep up with it at all times, straightening it, curling it and all that. But I recently got an ombre balayage hair color, and I wanted to actually have a tool where I could do like a at-home blowout, because every time I go to the hair salon, I love how they do my hair. I still have the tag of my shirt. Hey, it's new though. Oh shit, did I fucking rip it? Okay. Anyways, I have a lot of hair, so I just want the easiest, the fastest hair tool that I could get in my hands. And I want to be looking glamorous. I want to look, you know, nice and put together. So the reason that I bought this is because I like blowouts in my hair. I have really thick hair, so I think blowouts just look good with my hair. And I hate that you have to have like the blow dryer and the brush at the same time. Like, I don't have time for that at all. Like, my arms will hurt. Like, I don't got time for that. It's too much for me. So I wanted to buy a tool where I could do both. Have, you know, it's very lightweight. It has a unique airflow event. It's tangle free, so it's like a brush and a hair tool at the same time. So obviously it's gonna come out really good. I heard a lot of good reviews on it on YouTube, and I was doing my research, and a lot of people do like it. So I wanted to try it out for myself, since, like I said, I have really thick hair, and I just got like a balayage color, and I want to be able to make sure that I take care of it. This is not part of the look. I just have my hair out of the way because I was doing my makeup. So I'm very excited, and I wanted to show you guys what this does for my hair, to see if I recommend it to you guys. If you have a little bit of hair, I totally think it's probably comes out even better, because you could, you know, take control over it. I had a 15% off at Ulta, so this was perfect. I got this. I got my purple shampoo because I just dyed my hair, and I heard that you're supposed to use that if you go blonde a little bit. So let's see. Alright, this is the first time I open this, so let's see what this does. Alright, so it has an oval design. I think I saw this. Look at this. It's pink. It's really lightweight for sure, and it's only like a plug-in. That's all you're gonna need. So it's tangle-free combination bristles, unique airflow vents, multiple heat settings, and professional. So I'm so excited because I like that it's really big, because like I said, I have a lot of hair, so like I could take big sections. I don't know if I should brush my hair before. I kind of want to do it just so I could have like a flat should we just try like half and half? Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'll be right back. So I am gonna go over with the hairbrush because I just want to detangle it and make sure that it's not like cool, low, high. I'm gonna do the highest one because my hair is wet, and I also wanted to try that out. Like, I don't have to blow dry my hair. Do I have to wait for it to be dry? So this is actually wet hair. I just got out of the shower. It's probably like 15 minutes air dry, but I'm excited. Hopefully this would save me plenty of time.
Whoa, whoa.
Guys, I love it. Do you see this? perfect blowout. Look at this. And then my hair color looks so nice. Like it was starting to look a little bit more like orange yellow, but it looks beautiful. I love it. Did like it. The only thing that I didn't like is that I didn't know where to put it while I like sectioned my hair. So what I did is just put it like in between my legs and I laid it here. But I really love it. Like I feel like I went to the hair salon and I got a blowout. That's how great I love this product. It's totally worth my money. Like I said, it's $60 at Ulta. You could also get it at Target. I really did enjoy this. Having to let my hair dry, which saves me a ton of time, because there's sometimes where I take a shower and like I'm just like I can't wand it, I can straighten it until it dries up. But now I can do both. Straight hair, because like I told you, it looks like a broom with my hair. Like it's really, you know, thick. But this looks like glamorous. It looks lightweight. It looks so nice, and I really like this hair tool. So I'm gonna have the link down below so you can purchase it as well. Thank you guys for watching this review about the Revlon hair tool. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully you get to see future videos from me.